it's the best grill on the market.
Compared to another grill, nothing is even close to what the Synergy can do. So the feedback was all very consistent, very good, energy efficient. So it was a no-brainer for me to find a Synergy grill.
The Synergy grill, the reputation of it, I'd never used one before, but after using it now, 100%. It's the best grill I've ever used, for sure. The Synergy grill itself, the energy consumption is so impressive. So far, we've done 7 events with the Synergy grill, and the bottle's still only half used. So it's almost like it's just sipping the gas when it needs it, but you don't lose any power, any heat. I think it's reduced our gas supply by nearly 45-50%. When you add a bit of meat to it and the fat comes off the meat, it atomizes. So it almost goes straight back into the meat. The efficiency of the grill, the heat stays the same all the way throughout the top of the grill. So you don't get your hot spots under the burner. It's got a wide range of uses, and the beauty of it that there's no cross-contamination because of the way the grill is. Where all the fat seeps off, it's gone for the next round, so there's no cross-contamination of fish, meat and vegetables. Just what it brings to the cooking is just, unless you try it, it's very difficult to explain to somebody. It's just a beautiful piece of machinery. It really is. It's an eye-opener for all of us. None of the chefs here have used Synergy before, and actually every single person has come, oh, what's that? And so you show them through how it works, and yeah, it's very impressive. It really is. Probably the easiest grill I've ever had to clean, for sure. I mean, it's literally a job of leaving it to cool, take the grill off, we clean the grills, and then you just hoover. I'd say Synergy grill has definitely hit the sweet spot for us, and going forward, if we're ever looking for a grill in the future, then they'll be the first ones we come to, for sure.